What will happen to your Facebook profile when you will... No, don't worry, you're not dying now. If you passed away, what will happen to your profile or your Facebook profile? So in today's video, I'll discuss about who can manage your Facebook profile. You have to give permissions to the person who can manage your Facebook profile. Open your Facebook profile, then click on your profile icon, click on settings. Now click on see more in account centers. Now go to personal details. Now click on account ownership and control. Then click on memorialization. Now click on your profile. Now you need to select any particular profile. So I have already selected my sister's profile. If you want to change, you can change as well. If you haven't selected any profile, so you have to click on continue. Then you need to search your friend's profile. Now you need to select whether you want to give the permission to your friend or you don't want to give the permission. So if you want to give the permission, you can click on first option, and if you don't want to give any permission, you can click on the second option, and then you need to click on save. So if you like this information, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one.